wonder how to empower senior leaders, managers, and supervisors? Do you want to provide them with the tools and training that will create a lasting impact on your organization, but aren't sure where to start? Then the Center for Human Capital Innovation, CHCI, is your answer. We specialize in creating a custom blend of learning interactions and programs that are built exclusively to evaluate your leader's ability to drive results and influence positive productivity. Our signature Performance Leadership Program, PLP, provides customizable, hands-on, and tested leadership development activities for all leaders. The CHCI 7-month PLP includes a combination of live and interactive learning sessions led by experienced facilitators, in-depth individual leadership assessments, executive coaching sessions, and solutions-driven capstone experiences. The PLP enables each leader to immediately transfer the knowledge and skills gained from the course to their jobs. Participants start with a self-view, build up to the team view, and culminate at the organizational view before completing their individualized capstone experience. Let's talk so we can learn more about your organization's specific needs and objectives. Please fill out the Get Started form on our website at center4hci.org or call us directly at 202-390-2711. We look forward to hearing from you.